Your 2018 to 2022 Honda Civic or CR-V is slamming on the brakes for no reason on sharp curves because the radar thinks a guardrail is a car you are about to hit. This happened because the millimeter wave radar unit is mounted low in your front grille, and it shoots a beam straight ahead like a flashlight. When you drive into a tight mountain curve or a canyon switchback, that beam does not turn with your wheels. It keeps pointing straight and hits the metal guardrails or signs on the outside of the bend. Your car computer checks the steering angle, but sometimes the math does not update fast enough to realize you are following the road. The system sees a large metal object getting closer very quickly and panics. It triggers the Collision Mitigation Braking System, which causes the loud beeps, flashing dashboard lights, and that sudden jerk of the brakes. You should know that cleaning the plastic sensor cover usually does nothing unless it is caked in heavy mud or wet leaves. Wiping off dry dust will not change how the radar beam sees the road. Even if a mechanic performs a software recalibration at the dealership, it often cannot fix the physical limit of the sensor on very tight turns. To stop these false alarms, you can use 3 specific workarounds. First, keep your foot resting very lightly on the gas pedal as you move through the curve. This simple pressure tells the computer that you are actively driving, which helps suppress the automatic braking logic. Second, use your touchscreen to go into the vehicle settings and find the driver assist menu. Change the warning distance for the braking system from normal or long to the short setting. This makes the radar less sensitive to objects that are further away. Third, if you are driving a road where this happens every 10 to 20 minutes, you may need to press the button to turn the system off entirely until the road straightens out. If you do not manage these false alarms, you risk getting hit from behind by a driver who does not expect your car to stop for an empty road. Most drivers find that the short setting is the best way to keep the safety features active without the constant buzzing. If your car still acts up on flat ground, have a shop check the physical aim of the sensor. Dealing with a car that brakes on its own is stressful, but understanding the line of sight for that radar helps you predict when it might get confused. You want to make sure the car knows exactly where you are steering before the computer takes over. These simple adjustments to your driving habit and your screen settings are usually enough to stop the phantom braking from happening on your daily commute. Make sure you double-check those settings every time you head into the mountains. It only takes a few seconds to toggle the distance to short, and it saves you from a lot of heart-stopping moments on the road. Remember that the car is just a machine following a fixed beam of light. If that beam hits a metal sign, the car thinks it is a wall. By keeping your foot on the pedal, you are telling the machine that you see the road better than it does. This keeps the ride smooth for you and the people driving behind you. It is a common quirk for these model years, but it is one you can easily manage once you know the trick. Just keep that foot ready and your settings adjusted for the terrain. You want to stay in control of the car and not let the sensor dictate how you drive on those winding roads. By following these steps, you keep the system from overreacting to stationary objects. It is all about giving the computer the right signals at the right time. Keep your eyes on the road and your foot ready to guide the system through the next bend.